Ilhung's smart welding torch system, consisting of a welding torch, a processing manager program, and a power source control module, has a position sensor mounted on the torch handle, applying different welding conditions for different torch angles. This will increase the work efficiency and the quality of weld, providing a reliable partner for welding operators. The welding work requires different welding conditions for different welding positions. In the typical welding control methods, in order to change the conditions, welding operators need to stop the work, move to the control unit, and change the settings. On the other hand, the smart welding torch system senses the position of the torch based on the previous entered conditions and seamlessly controls the torch without stopping of operation. The welding operators can make additional control by operating the switches on the torch handle. For any welding section with variant positions, for any welding operator, including beginners, Ilhung's smart welding torch system can weld easily without stopping. Ilhung leads the welding industry and makes welders' dream come true. Ilhung's smart welding torch system.